Hey, this is me and my best friend. Say hello, best friend. Hello. I'm lonely. Go away. But today we're going to be using very weird sounds we're going to be making. This is a kazoo. I'm going to tell a funny story about that later in the video. This is helium. This is going to be great. Also, just to be clear, these are mustaches. Party City's awesome. So we're going to get on with it. First, it's going to be the helium balloon. You ready? Okay. Is something supposed to happen? Nothing happened. My voice is the same. Let's try this again. My voice different this time? Is my voice different this time? No. Hold on. Okay. My voice is different this time. My voice is different this time. Yes! Mission complete! Kazoo time! This one's difficult too. Yes. I love kazoos. Wait, hold on. I'm awful at a kazoo. So that funny story I said I was going to tell you. So, well, I was walking home from school like this. But sadly, I'm not alone in this world. So, people's reactions when they saw me were like something like this. What? What's wrong with me? So that's all I have for you guys today because I've been told my armpits smell like dookie, which is not good. So I had to end the video and maybe take a shower. I haven't done that in years. What is it like?